What's up, y'all? Ponds Takes Florida. Rise over there.
So these right here are called gray winged trumpeters. When they get excited, they start making these really trumpeting sounds. They're really neat. They might do it in a second. They will peck your fingers. It doesn't hurt too bad, but whatever. That's the noise I was telling you guys about. They get excited. They're fruit eaters, so they eat fruits every single day, fresh fruits. And they also are, they will eat a little bit of meat and stuff because they're ground dwelling birds. At night, they go up and roost up on the top. These guys in the corner, white crested chirocos from Africa. They live in the jungles of Africa. And they all eat fruits in the jungles and all that.
It's working. I just have an urge to, like, it's blocking the waterfall, you feel?
This pond is out of actually Aquascape. It's a concrete fabric that they sell on their website, and I made it into a pond. I just put it together and I silicone the whole thing, put a drain on the bottom. The drain that goes on the bottom, a big French drain underneath this. So if I want to drain that, pull the pipe, it goes all underneath the ground. You don't see it.
Bottom, just to make sure that we have a good upwelling of water. We will be working on all that plumbing here later on today. The other thing we're doing, you can see they're plumbing up the biofilter. The biofalls will help to polish the water. Main filtration is the wetland. But the biofall is going to go in that back corner. So one of the challenges we have here is Blake has to do an enclosure over the entire thing. So the otters will disappear. They're super agile, they can climb, they can get out of anything. So this will be completely enclosed. He's going to be attaching right to the top of this panel. There will be a fence panel going all the way down to the shed over there, and then one all the way on the back side. The thing that Blake needs, he needs a little bit of a buffer between that fence and the enclosure for maintenance. So we're going to have a little 18 to 24 inch wide buffer of just soil, and we're going to have to do some more stonework or logs or something on the back. But he has to do that enclosure on the back side. So the biofilter, and the reason I say it, the biofilter has to be pulled in a little bit more than I would like, but we have to make sure the functionality is first. So we'll try to figure out the aesthetics once we set that biofilter in place. That waterfall is not going to be very large, so it's maybe 8 to 12 inches tall. So again, just to add a little bit of that extra element, help increase overall dissolved oxygen. I was talking about this panel. This is setting our grade. Our water level, depending upon where we set it, would be either right at the bottom of this, maybe 2 inches below. Blake would like it a little bit lower, I would like it a little higher. So we're going to try to play around with that. We may set that overflow point to allow for some adjustment. And Blake's main concern is the otters jumping, splashing in here. It's going to kind of create some waves and stuff like that. He doesn't want to be constantly losing water. So if he has a little bit more of a freeboard around the outside perimeter, it'll help to keep some of that water in place. So we could play around with that a little bit later. But the reason I bring it up, our grade has to come all the way to this top point. So we got to get soil all the way around at that level. It's a lot. So we had a dump truck load dropped over there yesterday. We also have to do some stone work to hold all that soil in place. So what I want to focus on for this section is we're going to start setting rocks right here. We're going to work our way around towards where Lisa's at, where the biofalls will be. And then we're going to work our way around. As soon as we get these rocks set, we can start backfilling soil. So again, that's an easy way for us to start finishing up edges and working our way around. My plan is they're going to start at the far end. We're going to start at the far end over here. We will meet up somewhere around this waterfall. That's the overall plan.
What?
Here you go, Bobby. Some turtles. You little guy. I'm like, check out this pig. That's crazy, yo.
Biofalls is set. Got a tree log in. Upflow wetland in the bottom. We'll upflow over to the zero edge. and flow into the intake bay.
One minute, 37 seconds later. Later.
Second, aquascape ecosystem they made for me has one wetland on it, the intakes are there. Ton of fish, about 12 ducks, and then 2 large adult capybaras that live in here. And I've only cleaned it 1 time in 2 years. Suck out the whole entire thing, we drain all the water, took all the fish out, and that's all.
Get a video of that.
Ryan got him doing tricks.
This guy's flipping over here.
Oh, you cuties. Hi, buddy.
Parkour.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the eyes is a good parkour. Did you see that coming off the ceiling? Oh, look at him. Oh, we way up.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
I have to see these things.
Oh no.
You want to get in there?
So like a group of them?
They're all like huddled, yeah, like 15, 20.
Oh yeah, no.
You didn't say anything about a bat.
That's rats with
they
wings.
look cute. They look cute, but like I'm okay.
Hell, is this another one of those
that's one of those birds
kookaburras?
that like laugh at you.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah.
What's so funny?
Food. Yeah, let's get that for Bobby. Jada, pose. There you go.
I would just blend in here, so this could be high, and then it's gonna kind of go down to that front there. So you're probably done there.
We on? We rolling?
We on. We rolling. Get it going.
Finished up our aquascape retreat. Looking sweet. Love it. Hand me out.
Hand you out. There you go. Here.
Do you like me? If you do, please say.